But there's another D-man that we especially like here at Devils After Dark. And wait, I'm getting it. I'm getting it in my ear now. Yes, Mrs. Wu is coming in, and she's saying that we need to go to Mrs. Wu's Displeasure Palace dungeon for a Devils After Dark Let's Go Devils podcast game update with the king of the football calls himself, Sam by God Woo!
This game update is brought to you by And Crew Brew. And Crew Brew, where we make winning memories together, one crew at a time. Devils, Sharks at SAP Arena in San Jose. Third quarter. Devils are driving with the 5-1 lead. Marino out of the shotgun. Hughes in the backfield. Pistol formation. Mercer on the left side in motion. The puck is snapped. Marino pitches it to Jack Hughes, who finds Mercer. 10-5. Touchdown Devils. Touchdown Devils. Devils have a 6-1 lead. Chief Brody, take that shark behind the boat and harpoon it. Instead, this game is over. You get nothing. You lose. Good day, sir. Are you ready, New Jersey?
Oh, man, Sam Woo, outdoing yourself tonight. We need to get that clip from